Hello guys, welcome to Technotech YouTube channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of checking the consumables life on the Ricoh MP C4504 printer. Learn how to monitor the drum unit, developer, transfer belt, fuser unit, and other key components. Stay ahead of maintenance and avoid unnecessary downtime. Thanks for watching. If you learn anything in this video, please give a like and subscribe for more videos. If you have any questions, just pin a comment.